Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is the design that we will be working on in this video. And we open a new image. As usual, the usual settings, we only change the resolution to 300. Here we are. We zoom in a little bit and we change the background color. That's it. After we add the font to the Photoshop software, we're gonna type the text. So I'm gonna type gamer. As I said before, this is just example. You can make the design about anything you want. It's totally up to you. So as I said, I type gamer in here. I'll adjust the font a little bit. The size, I'll make it to 320. That's it. I put it right here. Right click, blending options, and I go to color overlay, and I will change the color of the text. That's it. Click OK, and here we are. I click here. Then I tilt the text a little bit. To do that, all you have to do is to select the move tool and check this box, show transform controls, and you use the edges to tilt the word or the text. When you get this symbol, you click and you drag to tilt the text. It's easy and simple. You click here to apply the changes. I'll center the text a little bit like this. And now I'm going to type the next word. I type 1 in here. The full phrase is 1 gamer. I make the text in 150 and same thing, I tilt it, I put it right here. Then I'm gonna change the color of this word. I'll make it in white. Now I'm gonna draw a circle around the word, and as I said, I'm gonna draw it around it, so the circle needs to be clear from the inside. So I deactivate the internal color and I activate the stroke. I'm gonna adjust the circle a little bit and I put it right here. I need to make the word inside the circle. So I need to adjust the circle perfectly. That's it. Now I'm gonna adjust the frame of the circle. So I go to blending options, stroke, and here we are, this is the frame. We make it in white. And I make it in 30 pixels in the size, and here we are. Now I'm gonna cut a little bit some parts of the frame. We need to convert it to a layer first, so right click and rasterize layer style. That's it. And now the circle is a layer. Now I'm gonna cut these parts right here And to do that, I zoom in a little bit. I use this tool. And I select the part I want to cut. I select it, then I click delete from the keyboard. That's it. Now I cut this part of the circle. Make sure that you are precise in cutting things in here. Don't cut like this. Make sure to cut with the same direction as the text. So you see that the G letter is going to this side, so I'm gonna cut with the same side of it, in the same direction of the word, or the letter in this case. That's it. I'm gonna cut this part as well. That's it. And here we are. As for this spot, I won't cut it. So I'll leave it like this. I'm just gonna adjust the one word right here. We zoom out and here we are. Now I'm gonna add some text. Now I type I love games in here. I adjust the size of the text and I adjust the font. And I make it in bold. This is the name of the font I use. It's called Tahoma. Of course, you can use any font you want. If you want to use the same font I use, it's called Tahoma. Now I'm gonna adjust the text. So I click here and I make it as an arc. I reverse it. And here we are. I'm gonna adjust the text a little bit. That's it. Then I'm gonna put another text in here. I'm gonna type eat, sleep, gamer and repeat. I'm gonna make it as an arc as well. And I'm gonna put it right here. I click OK and I adjust it from here. To fit with the circle. As you see the difference right here, there is a lot of space between the circle and the text. But now it looks perfect. Now I'm gonna add another circle. So I use the ellipse tool and I draw a circle right here. Now I'm gonna adjust the circle. Now right click, I go to blend in options, I'm gonna add a stroke. Here it is. We make it in white. I go to color overlay. Sorry, not color overlay, we go to stroke. And we're gonna make the frame in green. Like this. Now we're gonna put a white line inside of the frame. Now we're gonna add the controller. We already downloaded it. We unzip it, and here it is. We add it to the Photoshop. I use this tool and I select the controller like this. Then I copy it. I remove the background. Here it is. Now I'm going to use the magic wand tool to remove this background, because this background is a single color. So we use the magic wand tool to remove single color backgrounds. We click on it and we select the background, then we click delete from the keyboard, and here we are. Now we add the controller to the design page. We put it as top layer and we adjust its size. And I put it right here. I'm gonna pull the text like this so that the design can be perfect. Same thing right here, but I'm gonna lift this text instead of putting it down. Now we'll move on to the next thing. We're gonna cut. First I need to adjust this controller a little bit like this. And I'm gonna cut the frame, same thing we did with the letter. So I'm gonna cut this part like this. And here we are. Same thing in here. I cut it like this. And here we are. Now I'm gonna add these two stars right here. These stars, you can download them from flaticon.com in case you don't have them already in your software. Or you can use them as shapes. You already have star shapes in your software. So you either download icons or you can draw shapes in the software. The choice is yours. Either icons or shapes. If you want to work with the icons, go to flaticon.com, type star in the search box, and you will get so many options. Choose the one you want and download it. If you want to work with the shapes, like this one, just select the star shape from your software, draw it, and put it right here. Now I'm gonna copy the star and I'm gonna put it right here. Now, as usual, we're gonna cut this part of the line to make it look like this, as we did for the letter and the controller. So this is the frame. I'll make it as layer, right click, rasterize, layer style. Here we are. And now I'm gonna cut this part. So I zoom in and I cut this part right here. Here we are. Same thing here. I go to this star and I cut this part and the lower parts as well. And here we are. And this is the final look of our design. So this is the final look of our design, and this is the design on the mockup. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next design.